Imagine a world where the fundamental laws of physics are rewritten, and the behavior of tiny particles and the vast expanse of the universe are described using the same mathematical concepts. This is the exciting reality that mathematicians Claudia Fevola from INRIA Saclay and Anna Laura Sattelberger from the Max Planck Institute for Mathematics in the Sciences are exploring in their recent work, published in the Notices of the American Mathematical Society. But here's where it gets fascinating. Their research has the potential to bridge the gap between mathematics and physics, providing a unified language to describe phenomena ranging from subatomic particles to galaxies. At the heart of this endeavor is the concept of positive geometry, a novel and interdisciplinary field that offers a complementary perspective to traditional quantum field theory methods. By representing interactions as volumes of high-dimensional geometric objects, such as the amplituhedron, positive geometry provides a geometric framework for describing particle interactions alongside Feynman diagrams. And this is the part most people miss. This approach has far-reaching implications that go beyond particle physics, with potential applications in cosmology, where scientists are using the faint light of the cosmic microwave background and the distribution of galaxies to infer what shaped the early universe. The mathematics behind this is sophisticated, spanning multiple disciplines, including algebraic geometry, algebraic analysis, and combinatorics. The authors draw on these tools to investigate the behavior of elementary particles and the structure of the universe, enabling precision computations of particle behavior and cosmic structures alike. But what's truly groundbreaking is that positive geometry is not just a niche mathematical curiosity. It's a potential unifying language for form branches of theoretical physics. This geometric framework naturally encodes the transfer of information between physical systems, providing a common language to describe phenomena at all scales. The study presents an approach with broad applicability and scalability, with tools from algebraic geometry, D-module theory, and combinatorics driving this interdisciplinary progress. As we delve deeper into the world of positive geometry, we begin to realize that it's more than just a tool. It's a language that might unify our understanding of nature. But here's the question. Can we really use mathematics to describe the behavior of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of galaxies? The answer lies in the work of Fevola and Sattelberger, who are part of a growing international effort to explore the connections between algebra, geometry, and theoretical physics. As they emphasize, positive geometry is still a young field, but it has the potential to significantly influence fundamental research in both physics and mathematics. So, what do you think? Can positive geometry really rewrite the laws of physics, or is it just a mathematical curiosity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The recent developments are not only advancing our understanding of the physical world, but also pushing the boundaries of mathematics itself. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, one thing is clear. Positive geometry is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the world. And this is just the beginning. The scientific community is now working to validate these emerging mathematical objects and theories, and the results are eagerly anticipated. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. The intersection of mathematics and physics is a fertile ground for innovation and discovery, and positive geometry is at the forefront of this exciting new frontier.